Argentina, with Jack Miller on pole position, and the others, having made the wrong decision, have been penalised and will start further back on the grid.
Oh, Marquez has stalled it. Marquez has
got
stalled
a problem.
it.
Marquez has got a big problem here.
How much
He's
more
got
drama?
it going. He's got it going. He's got it going, but he might have to start from pit lane.
He's come off his grid position.
Is he? Pit lane.
Yeah,
he's got to start from pit lane. Unbelievable drama here. Or is he going back onto his grid slot? Hang on a minute. I thought he was being pointed to pit lane. 24 laps in Argentina, and the strangest start you'll ever see. Jack Miller gets away from pole position.
So a mistake early on for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez on the inside of his teammate. There's no love lost there between Marquez and Pedrosa.
Pedrosa's gone.
He got nudged out wide by Johann Zarco, and he's tried to squeeze the power on. Massive high side, but he got nudged out wide by Johann Zarco. Injury now. Marc Marquez can quickly dispose of Jack Miller. We might have an exhibition right here. Here he goes. Marquez leads them, and he's had great pace all weekend, rain or shine, to make an escape. In lane came out of the words of the officials.
Well, race win chances gone for Marc Marquez.
What a day. What an afternoon of drama here in Argentina, the MotoGP World Championship. We've had, to his eye line, will be Taka Nakagami.
Oh! And that was almost curtains for the pair of them. Marc Marquez saw a gap. Surely it wasn't big enough. He almost did. He puts his arm up. It was his mistake. But he's got to drop a position, and there he does.
There you go, straight away, yeah.
Well, that's not really going to cost him.
But he just gained that position, so has he got to drop back one other place? Morbidelli surely not.
I think it's just said.
Crutchlow then pounces. Cal Crutchlow makes a move, and Rins was well wide. Big mistake by Rins. In the blink of an eye, he goes from first to fourth place. Miller now leads, Crutchlow second. 25 or 30 laps they did on slick tyres on Friday.
Oh, there's a big bump and a wobble there from Jack Miller. He almost lost the front and in the turn. Cal Crutchlow bites. He goes through. Zarco through. Rins is through as well. Zarco's got the lead. We're watching here Marquez. Oh, he's gone. He's going to knock him off. Oh, on earth has he done it? He's done it again.
Oh,
and
Rossi's on the grass.
Down. And that's Marquez's crash again. He's done exactly the same thing again.
Well, there's history, and there's a lot of history between the pair of them. It started here in Argentina back in 2015. Clear contact between Marc Marquez and Valentino Rossi in turn number 13. Rossi nudged onto the grass.
He's just got one corner left, and here in Argentina, what a race it's been! Cal Crutchlow wins for the LCR Castrol Honda team ahead of Johann Zarco in one of the most incredible races you will ever see.
Crutchlow, your victor here in Argentina.